This is Tony.
Yeah.
And there's the famous Marina from Argentina.
She is the Marina, you know? The.
We are. Well, what's the place? What is this called? You have to tell me the name.
I don't know the name of the
Something
city.
like Wittenberg, but it's
It's not Wittenberg.
Kluckenberg?
Something with
Wackenberg?
It's in Germany.
Mickenberg?
It's in Germany, come on.
Yeah, it's in Germany and it's
Okay,
old.
it looks so old. Look at it. It's like from the 1950s. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Shut up, or what? You guys are making up. Okay, say something for YouTube.
Please watch this video again.
In português?
Yeah.
Eu não quero estar sozinha. Eu não quero estar sozinha em Natal. Não é assim?
What the heck? I don't even know what you said.
E não quero estar sola em Navidad.
Natal.
Ah, Natal.
Natachi.
Who's that?
Natal.
Sorry. Eu não quero estar sozinha em Natal.
No,
What's
Natal.
No Natal.
What's that? I don't understand.
I don't want to be alone in Christmas.
Yeah.
Christmas
That's
is.
true. Maybe someone can come and join me in Christmas.
Yeah, so you guys, anyone that wants to join us in Germany, come here right now.
It's not on the video.
And we are here, the prince of whatever this place is called is coming up in his carriage.
Are you taking a picture?
No, this is a video. Talk! It's, not, it's a video. Wave to the horses, you guys. Então, a gente está aqui com a Marina de novo, é Tommy. A gente está visitando uma pequena cidade, ou pequeno, não sei qual é o nome aqui.
So everyone can understand it. We need somebody for in Christmas.
A Marina vai estar sozinha aqui no Ocidental, então
Eu não quero estar
ela
sozinha no Natal.
ela precisa de alguma pessoa no Natal, porque ela vai estar sozinha.
Sozinha.
Muito sozinha, né?
Yeah.
Vai chorar.
Eu vou chorar.
She said she's gonna cry.
Oh yeah, no. Please don't. You don't want her to cry.
Don't
Right.
make me cry,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, please.
Please, bitter.
Meus amigos se vão.
Meus amigos. Oh, ok. Meus amigos vão embora.
I have to learn.
Yeah, that. Vão embora.
Ah, vão embora, tá.
Yeah.
Mas a gente vai voltar.
Eu estou sozinha. No Natal.
Ok. O que tá fazendo lá?
No.
That. They are with us, you know.
Keep it thing.
Yeah, the crazy Germans, crazy Germans.
Wow,
Look at that.
they are Germans. I can't believe this. Wow. Can I go?
Yeah, go now.
No.
Nossa, what did we see right now?
I don't know.
Who were they?
I don't know that.
Crazy Germans, let's get the heck out of
German.
here.
Obrigado por assistir no canal do
Charlie.
Charlie.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oi, tudo bem? Aqui estamos com o Marcel, ele é alemão, mas ele fala português também.
E aí galera, beleza? Tudo tranquilo? Estamos aqui na bela cidade Quedlinburg, na Alemanha, e está muito legal aqui. Foi ótimo.
Obrigado por assistir o canal do Charlie.
Yeah, we are. Okay, that's it.